Welcome. My name's Brian Knight. I live near Melbourne in Australia, and it's just after 5 o'clock in the morning on a Wednesday for me. Yes, I wasn't here Monday or Tuesday. So Wednesday. All right, let's share this. So welcome to this live FOREX analysis session. Just note that any trades discussed in this group are to be classed as educational only. That's because we're a group of people helping each other and we are not financial advisors. So please don't take trades you're having to take based on your own analysis. And there is a full risk disclosure, a little bit about us, the live session traders there. Rightio. Welcome, Tom. I can't hear you, Tom. Anyway.
Yeah, I'm here. Hi,
Oh, you're
Brian.
there. Yeah,
Yeah,
good.
I'm still trying to set up. I'm sorry.
I know that's okay. I got time to set up too. Remember, this is the relaxed method, not the, yeah. So let me just share across onto the charts. We'll see if Darren turned up or not and how he's going. Big weekend. Big weekend building. So, all right. Um, all right, let's go and have a look and see because I haven't even looked at the charts since the start of the week. Right. ADK. And well, it looks like it's done the turn and starting to push back up again now. Or a pullback, should I say. Maybe not break the top before it comes back down. So it's going to come back to get this wick up here and then potentially push back down again. Right. AED similar, but it's selling out pretty solid too. It did push back up at the end of the week, and now it's got a short over here. So it looks like potentially pulling back up again because we had employment figures end of last week. They're staying at 4.2 at the moment. So anyway, now AUD JPY, that's coming off as well. But again, I don't like looks like it might just push itself back up if the others, AUD CAD and AUD CHF do. AUD NZD, oh my gosh, Darren might be happy about that. Now it's saying there's going to be a drop off. Well, sorry, the indicator that we got on the chart saying it might sell out. A little bit of a chunky knuckle here. Whether it'll come back down into here or not, we'll see. But yeah, whatever Darren's got, I can't remember which EA he's got that on, but it's still climbing. I think it's a little bit of a hesitation here on the daily. What's it doing on the weekly? It's also selling out too. Okay. And selling out on the 2 hour for the red coat. Might be a good trade. We'll see. Sell stop might be the answer there. Could just continue up though. AD Singapore. Doing the same as that AD CAD, AD CHF, just pulling down, pushing back up a bit. We'll just see. There is a gold in there, but got an indicator. We'll see. I knew you posted about gold too, Tom, didn't you? Yeah. That's just like Greed, isn't it? How far that's pushing up. And I think Alice is right. I think it'll go up further. AUD USD. Hmm. Seems to be mulling around at the moment. Not really going anywhere. Oh, it's Friday. Yeah. We'll be looking at that one in a minute. CAD CHF. You in the cell?
No.
Okay. He's pretty bunched up there, isn't it? I suppose it, yeah, anyway. All right.
And
CAD.
everything I have says it's starting its pullback. It's gonna continue
Yeah.
down, but we're starting our
But
pullback.
yeah.
So I have my fib from the high and low here, looking at the 619 for the
Yeah.
push off back down.
Yeah. Back
So
down, yeah.
I'm patiently waiting.
Could be a week or two or three or whatever. Okay.
Or
Oh
a
yeah.
day, because I mean Powell's supposed to be speaking.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What's Jerome got to do with it?
Apparently he's
You,
got something to say.
you chucking the job in?
I hope not.
No. Oh, he's probably just been dosing up with paracetamol, Tylenol or something. What a bunch of rubbish.
Just
Anyway,
just absolute clowns.
yeah, KJ not really going anywhere either. Okay, CHF Now that looks like it's still pushing up. I don't know if you're in the buy.
No.
You really should have got in here. It was anyway. See? Okay, euros. That'll go through a quick day. Euro AUD. I didn't get a chance the weekend. That's why I don't have a computer. So I've got 3 EAs I've got to set up, but hopefully I might have some time today to do that. Well, that's pushing up, isn't it? I think we're going to get a little anyway. What's any news on it? Manufacturing, environment. Nah, it's all just inconsequential stuff. Well, we'll see on that one. I think I think it'll buy a lot further. I don't think it'll break the top. It'll probably come up like this is saying and then drop back off again. Might be better just to wait for the sellout, I think. Get a gold indicator wherever it is and drop off. You're okay. You in the buy?
No, I think it's going to do a
Pull
pullback
back.
here.
You're probably right. Yeah, okay.
But it's going to have
Well,
to pull back, break structure, pull back up, pull back down. I'm not getting in immediately if this thing turns. It's got to
yeah,
work.
okay.
It's got to work that way down.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Euros CHF. Well, the euros are, yeah, okay. They have taken off though. Now this is a bit, we're still waiting for it potentially to come down. Wow. It's just mulling here, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Collecting, waiting. We'll see if it breaks that or not. I think it'll pull back down. Anyway. All
It
right.
may. The only way I'm going to get into this is if I get a buy signal out of it. I don't
Mm,
have a limit order here, It's got to come down and prove it's going to push back up.
Yeah.
I'm just sitting this here because this is what I believe it's going to do at the moment. This could
Yeah.
change and we could adjust it as we go along.
Yeah, no,
But
absolutely.
I think personally, we're going to end up buying out of here.
Yeah,
So that's
I
why I'm
agree.
looking on this side of that uh, time frame box, the 50% box.
Yeah. Yeah. And I think it will too. Anyway, we'll see. Euro GBP has a bit fight. Oh no. Oh, Euro's really taken off. All right. And the Euro's got some strength up in it. What's the British pound doing? Global manufacturing. Oh well, after the orange man's been there and sucked up all the royal jelly, he's back home. How long do you think before the assassination, Tom?
Oh, I don't know. I don't discuss things like that online.
Oh no, of course not. Yeah. Well, I'm over here though, so yeah. I don't want
Yeah.
to bring it up for
Nope.
you.
I do
No,
not discuss anything.
like that. Yeah. No. Okay. No worries. All right. Charlie. Okay. Um, yeah, Euro GBP. It looks like that's pushing itself up nicely. So all the euros so far look like they're up. They will do pullbacks, but I think they're all on that at the moment. A push. Euro JPY also pushing up, but then, as you said, there's a turn to happen, then maybe push back up. Euro NZD, that's pretty hefty, that push up. Pullback coming. So what are we on Wednesday? You're Tuesday, aren't you? So this is where the week we start to get either pullbacks in another direction, then push back up again. Okay.
Yeah. So you're looking at buys now, right?
Yeah, correct overall, but there will be a pullback.
Right. So if I may suggest making some changes to your screen
Mm-hmm.
to help
Yeah,
you.
please. Yeah, please.
Okay. Take from just flip your fib over.
Oh, yes. Okay, we'll start with that.
Great. Now take it from that last gold bar at the top to the middle gold bar there in the center.
This one.
That yes, move your fib up to there.
Oh, okay. Right.
Okay.
Okay.
And then also adjust your 50% box.
Yeah.
So since you're
Mm.
looking for buys,
Yeah. It'll come back to box and then it'll
right.
work, whatever, and then come out of it.
Right. So you really don't care what comes back into this box. You
But
care about what it's
what?
bouncing out of.
Oh, right. Yes, okay.
So even if it comes back down in here and moves, it's only trying to collect.
Mm-hmm.
When it pushes out is when you want to pick it up.
Which will be around that 619.
No, that's inside this box.
Yes, but I'm saying that's where it looks like it wants to push. You've got a wick here at that 619. You've got where the indicator is sort of saying it's going to come back and potentially fake out, then come back, then take off.
Mm-hmm. And I'm saying you
So,
wait till it breaks
okay.
out of that white box, not at the
Yeah.
619.
Oh, yeah. No, totally agree with
Okay,
you. But
want
the
to be on the same
point,
page.
yeah, we're on the same page. But the point I want to make or ask of you is what this indicator is saying is it'll come out of the box, but then pull back in again before it goes back out again. So even
Yes,
if you got a trade when it came out, you'd be in drawdown as it pulled back.
right. That's why you want That blue trend line, that's why I say start watching your blue trend line. It's going to come across, it's going to turn white.
Yeah, when it comes back in, yeah.
And then as soon as it turns blue again to head back out, set your trade at the top of the box, not
Yeah,
at
okay.
the price or the line.
Right, yeah.
That
Yeah,
way,
okay.
when by the time it comes out of the box, it's already shooting
Yeah,
rather than
yeah,
up
yeah.
and down. And
Yeah, okay. Gotcha.
that's what I'm looking at because I'm expecting this to go higher as well.
Yeah. All right. Euro Singapore. Yeah, and that's also going higher too. Pull back. I think euros really, yeah, and Euro USD, same. Now this is saying it's gonna sell out. A little, I'm quite suspicious on this one. What do we got? Is that Jerome, is it? Yeah, he's gonna speak. Oh,
He's already
you're,
spoke.
oh yeah, 17:35, 5 o'clock. Okay. Yeah, he's already, yeah, that would have already happened.
Yeah, that's why I'm just waiting for the market to react.
Mm. It's not doing too much anyway. Uh, oh, I don't have it now. Okay.
But look what it's doing. This this. Okay, can you shrink down that 2 hour real quick?
Mhm.
All right. Can you flip your fib over?
Uh, yeah, sure I can. No problems.
Okay. Now, if you'll see, you've pushed out and taken that liquidity, right?
Yeah,
Across the top.
yeah,
You've set up your fib from the high to the low. Did
yeah.
it come back and touch your fib? The 619.
Mm, no, it's close.
Right. It missed it. It was
Yeah.
close, but it missed it.
It looks like it wants to come back and go to the 88 even.
Exactly. So if this does break this top,
Hmm.
it's going
Yeah,
to push up,
where it
but it's
currently is now. Yeah.
right. It's going to push up, but I would be looking for the pullback to the 619 or the 88 before buying it back out if I was going to buy
There's a wick up
because you
here.
just broke structure.
Yeah.
It swept the liquidity.
Yeah, down
Now it's
here.
coming back to check that gold box. I wonder if it's going to
Yeah.
create a wick there,
Yeah.
touching that gold box, and then start its push down.
Hmm.
That's what I would be looking for if I was to get into this trade. A red wick tapping that gold box, and then a push down candle to beat the low blue candle it just made.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's going to push up. And when it pushes up, it's going to take this liquidity,
Yeah.
probably not leave a wick over here when it creates that gold bar, push
Yeah.
down, and then this will have something to go after when it pushes back up, like it did to the left here with these
Yeah.
two bricks.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
got to come
You
back
mean
and grab
you
that
mean
liquidity.
the two over there? Yeah.
That's
It
right.
came back and took it. But I reckon, yeah, I think what it'll do is it'll create a brick, a gold, and drop off. Well, the
It may.
scenario is it could do that or it could break that, but it's more, I think it's more likely it's going to push back down again to 88 and then come back up again because this will change then. Okay. But I'm not going to be in a trade at this time with this at the moment because it's like really. Well, luckily for Darren last week that that it came down here and well, it could have propped him out, but at least he was in a situation where he went break even. Now it's pushing back up again. Very nice. Mm. He is Mr. EA at the moment, isn't he? So he's still on the hunt. He's bloody hunting around, I tell you. Right. I think he's having a good time without having to manually trade at the minute. Watching all those EAs do their thing. All right. GBP. So from an EA, from a euro perspective, all the euros except for Euro USD all look like they're pushing up. Potentially a pullback at this point, the Tuesday to Thursday of this week, and then potentially push back up again.
That's
That's where
right.
I'm seeing those at the moment. So don't get sucked into having to get into buys right at the moment because they might
And,
just do their pullbacks now.
and that's what this does for me.
Yeah,
It
yeah,
slows me down.
yeah.
I'm not taking 70 trades a week. If it doesn't,
like you used to.
yeah, exactly. If it doesn't fit what I'm trying to do, it's going to
Yeah,
tell you because it takes so long to create this stuff.
yeah.
So
Which
I'm
is
down to like one trade a week, maybe.
yeah, fair enough. But yeah, and profitable. So
Right.
let's look at the GBPs. Let's see what British pound's doing as a bunch, right? Um, yeah, it's certainly not having a good time, is it? Well, that's 10, 1, 2. I think we'll get a bunch up in here, just like we did there before it takes off. Oh well, GA tends to be matching at the moment. GCAD? No, that's a buy. Yeah. Oh, market's really good. Trading view is just going a bit slow. I might need to restart computer. Hopefully I don't lose stuff. Um, yeah. Looks like that's about to turn as well. That was another one. Yeah. Okay. What's that thing say? Oh, okay. Hmm. Sorry. All right, GBP Mm-mm. Will it break the low? I think it will. I think this will come down and break there. And then people get a, oh gosh. Okay. Looks a little weird, doesn't it? What's the weekly doing? Okay. Daily. This is the pullback. I think we're more likely into that sell low. Could quite easily do a pullback here to take that even back up to there where it was and then push back down again. All right. Wait for that one. And GJ. It's a very relaxed method, isn't it?
Mhm.
Whoa. No way. 2 hours. I can't do that.
Flip your fib over.
It's already gone up. You reckon?
Well, this is telling you it's selling, and you've already broke structure once.
Oh, yes. Okay. Gotcha. That's what you were saying. Right here. Let's reverse that then. Hmm. The daily saying it's going to buy up.
Mm-hmm.
And it's saying sell, so I'll keep away from it for a minute.
Well,
Put a sell stop down in here somewhere. There are a couple of good, good sort of wicks down here, aren't they?
look at all the liquidity it's passing as it goes down where
Yeah,
the W is. Look to your left.
yeah,
One,
yeah, yeah,
two,
yeah,
three.
yeah,
Oh, look
yeah,
at all
yeah,
those blocks down there to your
yeah,
left.
yeah, yeah, I know. But I can't see the British pound weakening off that much at the moment. Not unless the orange man left the nuggets in the toilet or whatever over at the castle. Hmm. Our sell stop would be all right there, I think. I think it's going to buy, to be honest. What's it doing? What's this bit? Oh, hmm. See, France and England are both in a very similar situation. They got budget issues long term, though. Oh well, we'll just monitor this one over the next couple of days. GBP NZD. See discrepancies again. It's saying on the 2 hour it's selling out, but on the daily it's saying it's going to buy. Definitely turning. It hasn't broken structure there. It's pulling back down. It has pushed back up there from that price. You can see been a good push back there. I can't pick that one in a minute. GBP and Singapore. Looks like it is coming back up we'll get another one there at least. Okay. And GU. Oh, there we go. There's a push back up, but is it enough though? Hey, is it enough? Come down to 619 and now it's pushing back off again.
You're
You're what?
I'm trying to figure out where you're at on the screen. Where are you?
GBP
You
USD.
are
Yeah.
GDP USD. Yeah. Oh, can you shrink that down? Maybe we're just too close. Oh, there it is. Okay. I was totally lost, man.
Well, there's another fib up in here
Right. That's
because
the one you want.
it came up to the 88
All right.
and now dropped off. I think, yeah.
You think what?
I think this is going to come up and break the top up here.
Oh, okay.
Maybe up to there. We'll just see. It's now time to consider getting into that trade. It's probably too late, actually. Not too late, but yeah. I mean, the 2 hour saying it's only going to pull up and then drop back off again, but I don't know. I think there's a longer term buy. A lot of these GBPs, all those GBPs are a little, uh, yeah, a bit like, well, euros are definitely talking about doing a pullback, right? But ultimately pushing up further. These GBPs, I think they've done their pullback. I think they're ready to start pushing back up. They're like a bit in the sort of the opposite to what euros have. All right.
If I could ask you,
Yeah.
which way is your weekly going on your daily time frame?
Sure. Yeah, that was up.
Okay, and so your daily's up.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. And the daily, yeah,
So on
exactly.
your 2 hours, adjust your box, your 50% box to the higher time frame of where
No,
your higher fib is.
you want it up here
Uh-huh.
and down there.
Uh-huh. And is there a small fib in there?
Yeah, there is. Yeah.
Yeah, you can get rid of that.
Okay.
I'll explain why.
Oh,
Oop, you get rid of the box.
uh, hey, go back there. Must have been touching it rather than
No, you're still clicked on it. That's why.
yeah. All right. I thought I clicked on the feed. That's
So you could also that green box, your placeholder. Let me
yeah.
if I could just explain why you don't want to take this trade,
Yeah, go for it.
because you don't know. You're still in your 50% box.
Yeah, okay.
It's got to come out one side to sweep
Or
a
the
liquidity,
or
either
the
at the
other.
bottom or the top.
Mm-hmm.
The outside the liquidity sweep is what you want if you're going to buy.
Mm-hmm.
The upper liquidity sweep is what you want if you're going to sell.
Yeah.
So buying here in the middle, they're just picking you off.
Okay, yeah. Fair enough.
So let it just run till it does what you want. And what do you want it to do? Leave this box, come back to it, take off.
Yeah, okay.
Just like it does here down at the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Even though it
Yeah,
may
yeah.
not do that exactly, you want some sort of liquidity sweep to be pushing it back the other way.
Yeah, yeah. Which will show a push in the other direction and a run. You want to run.
Right, because on the daily it says it's buying. So
Yeah.
I'm not even interested in this trade until it gets to the bottom. We can see it pulled up and missed the 619, right?
Mm-hmm.
Flip your fib over. You have a gold bar there that says now it's pushing down. So now we're looking at the lower portion of the fib.
Mm-hmm.
So now we're looking for it to come back in, sweep liquidity, and come out of the 88,
Mm-hmm.
which means it'll be a push down, it'll pull back, you'll get a wick, a gold box here, it'll fart around here for a minute, tap, 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 and away we go. Well, when it goes, it's gonna have to break that top over there.
Mm-hmm.
So when it goes, it's gonna go. There's no coming back. It's gonna go.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's got to go back down before it does. That's what you're
Right.
saying.
This is where the patience comes in on a daily basis.
Hmm.
So you can see this is not working out yet to where you want to get in the trade, but your trade's set up already because you're going to have that placeholder down here at the 88 someplace just waiting. And as
Right.
this works through, as the price works through and the trend line starts to come down at the bottom, that trend line is going to be your uh, shoot out when it changes. So you want
Yeah.
that blue trend line to, or the white trend line, I should say at that point, to be
Yeah.
way down here at the bottom,
Yeah.
fighting,
Then,
fighting. And then all of a sudden it's going to cut loose and just take off to
yeah.
get to the other side of the box where there's liquidity that needs to be taken.
Yeah.
This is what's slowing you down so you don't jump into every trade. You got to have the right trade set up before you take a trade.
Yeah, because they'll only be small trades when it's within the
Yeah,
while it's
you're
going
just
up and
setting
down.
yourself up for failure.
Oh, come on. You got to have a lifetime of stuff. NZD CAD. That's a big drop. That was big drop. See, it didn't quite make that. Oh, it did there. Just come up nearly to the 88 and then just dropped off. Came down, matched here. That would have been a good trade. Look at the drop off. Like even if it was there, 160 pips. Okay. Out of the box, it's ready to go back up again. This is saying it's going to sell further though on the daily.
Yes, yours says sell. What does your weekly say?
So,
So do you have
what?
a gold bar down here on your two
So,
hour?
yeah, there's one there.
Okay, so if this thing says it's going to sell,
Hmm.
I'm taking all the sells out of it.
Yeah.
I'm
Well,
not interested in
we
these
have to
buys.
we have to wait. That's right. We have to wait for the buy to finish. Whether it'll break here, whether it comes up and breaks there, or whether it just comes to 88 and then just drops off.
Well, again, move your fib down to the most recent high. Pull your 50% box down
Yeah,
because
no,
that's a new low, right?
I just get it. Uh, that's not a new low. It's a matching low, but that's okay.
Now it's going to have to come back out and back into this box.
Yeah.
You can see the fake out already. If this green
Mhm.
line is correct, they're already trying to fake you out.
Yeah.
So now for this to either keep going up or keep going down, this white trend line has to work its way through to figure out which way it's going. Is it going up or is it going down? So it's telling you right now it's going to go sideways. And what you're looking
Anyway,
for is a
how's it
directional
telling you?
change
How's it telling you it's going to go sideways?
because it has a gold box on it. The gold box is at the top and the gold box is at the bottom. Anything within this box, you have to consider it going sideways
Oh yeah,
until
okay.
it comes out one side of the box or the other.
Hmm.
Boxes may change, as you get a higher high and a higher low.
Hello.
But what you're looking for is the failure off the fib with the trend line going in the right direction, with the trade going in the right direction. So you're just patiently waiting, like each scene has to play out until the exact right time to get into a single trade on that pair.
Yeah.
Because these ups and downs right here, they're just cleaning your clocks.
Mm.
You want it to where it's going in a direction, and this box will tell you. All you're doing is utilizing that fib to tell you when and where. So if you're looking at the downs on the day, you're looking at downs on the week.
Yeah.
Don't take a trade until you get what you want. And what you want is a pullback that fails to take that wick and it starts pushing down inside your 88 here and then tap down and go down because this
Yeah.
green line will change.
Will change. That's right. Yeah.
And then that's the trade you want. You want it when it's coming when that trend line turns, it's going to come back up, turn blue.
Blue.
When
Yeah.
it comes out the side of the box and it's white and you're in that trade, don't worry about these coming and going.
Yeah. Yeah. That's right.
They're
Okay.
temporary. I want that 40,000 pip run. So this little shit is just going to cost you money.
Right. Enter DCHF. Okay. Ultimately selling out. It's just going to play around. Okay. NJ as well selling out. Looks like it's going to come out of the box. Maybe you want the small one.
I personally would take the smaller one.
Yeah, and you want to flip it.
Yeah, you want to leave it the way it is. See, you're short on the daily,
Yeah.
and it's currently
Okay.
selling now.
Okay. Yeah. 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 So
So
it's a
when it
buyback
pulls
up.
back here, to above that knuckle it created, see the knuckle in the line
Yeah.
up above to the left
Yeah.
of
Yeah.
it,
Yeah. Just here.
right there. So just slide that white box across.
That
Okay.
one or this side?
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah. Okay.
So that knuckle it created, I'm looking for any gold bars that are above that knuckle
Right for it to come back. But
for the sell
yeah.
out.
Yeah. When you've got liquidity in here.
That's right. So when it pulls back, it'll probably pull back to that white
Yeah.
knuckle to the left.
Yeah. Up to the, ah,
To the
I
left.
reckon,
One
I
more
reckon,
over. One more line over.
oh, over here.
Just to your right. Up 2 candles. Right there. See that knuckle in there?
Yeah. Oh, that's right. Yeah. Because you got liquidity
So
over here too.
exactly. So I'm looking for it to pull at least halfway up to that knuckle.
Okay.
Give me a gold bar, which will tell
And
me I'm
then,
above this knuckle it just created.
yeah.
And then I'll
And
take the
then
sell out
sell out. Yeah. Okay. Well, let's wait.
because you got a short on the daily.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And you, same thing here. Look at it. Look at this stuff. Ugh. Okay. Not going to come into anything that's, anyway. Singapore Japanese yen. Still rubbish here. Got to wait for it to push up and then get that down. UCAD, Look at that. Just
Uh-huh.
playing around in there.
Which way do we think it's going to go?
Buy.
Okay, flip your fib
But it's
over.
gonna keep playing around.
Right, but flip your fib over.
Yeah, hang on a second.
Because if we think it's going to buy, then we're looking for failure at the bottom, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So there's your sweep of liquidity because there's no wick on that gold bar at the bottom.
But this could be weeks before it does anything anyway. Hmm. Yeah, this could be a while before it decides to take off. And we could have some fake outs and then push and back again, and then we'll talk about
That's the
potentially.
sweep of liquidity.
Yeah, down here it is. That's right. Down
And the
taking
one
those.
next to it where it creates the W is the failure.
Yeah, okay.
So if I'm going to buy this out, I'm only looking for buys that are coming out the other side of this box.
Yeah, yeah. Yep, okay. USD still a bit of patience, not really. He reckons a buy. In the short term, we're going to get that sell out. Oh, sorry, short term will be it's already pulled back down here now. This may change. I think it's going to sell anyway. All right, UJ. What rubbish is that? Hey, absolute. We haven't got a gold one there, but it's just like, look at that line. Blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, blue, white. It's not ready to jump out yet. We want to buy out of it, don't we? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That needs to come up and push, fake, and then pull back and then go out. Okay. USD Singapore, I think also too. It's saying sell. This is saying buy. Okay. Keep away from that one. Whoa. Gold is, how's that? 3780. Market doesn't have a lot of confidence in that US dollar, does it?
Mm-mm.
Oh, that's massive. That push up from when's that? Back here. End of August, 22nd. That's the reckons 4 grand. We'll see. I think it'll be pulled back before then. All right, and silver. Are there any rockets happening? Yeah, that's still pushing up too. Wow, 43, nearly 44. Hmm, lovely. Bitcoin's dropped off. Okay. And oil is still just sitting around that 64. Nothing happened at the moment. Oh, it says it's going to drop off. Wow. Below the 60. That's going to be good. Now, see what happens. I think we're coming close to a bit of a crash going on. Orchestrated. The stock market.
Manipulated.
Yeah, absolutely. The whole thing's manipulated. Mm, yeah. Okay. Well, there we go, Tom. Got enough to have a look at for the day. There's a fair bit of waiting. We're just sitting. Hmm. All right. Well, I've got no buses to drive at the moment, so that's all right. I've got plenty of jobs. We've got some Japanese students coming Friday morning, and I've got to drop them off Monday morning. So we've got them for the Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
At the house?
Yeah, here. Yeah, they do a farm stay. So we'll have them out. I have to feed and clean chooks up, and we'll be weeding, and we'll be planting some. I've got to plant some gum trees and put some barriers around them to stop the animals trying to eat them. So got a few jobs to do. Then we've got to feed them as well. So see how we go. We get paid to do it, so that's okay.
Oh, I did it one time for a exchange student in Japan. The student was coming over, and the people who were supposed to receive him had an emergency and couldn't take him. So we volunteered to take him, and we did it for, I think it was 3 or 4 days.
Yeah,
And his name was Yoshi,
yes,
and
yeah,
super nice kid,
yeah,
super nice. And yeah, we just hung out, played basketball, and met the family, and had a picnic, and did all sorts of stuff with them. Just
yeah,
that's just the way we were living at the time. And
yeah.
it was just
We
like
got
we just treat him like family. It's like he's here, he might as well just be one of us,
yeah, yeah,
So
exactly.
um, yeah, he had a great time. It was a great experience.
Yeah, we got four, so they're all around the 15, 16-year-old boys this time. So I think this is about our fourth or fifth time we've had them. So, or different ones. So, no, I see. It's always a good experience. Yeah, it's just pretty intense for a few days, but that's okay. You just get yourself sorted, and that's it.
Yeah,
Easy.
he adapted
Anyway,
very quickly.
yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, they do too. Well, they're only here for a short time. I think they fly in on the Thursday, and I think they fly out. They leave us Monday morning. I think they fly out again on the Tuesday. They're not even here for a week.
Yeah, I think that's what this was. It was just like it was like 1 week from when like a Tuesday to
Yeah,
Tuesday kind of thing. Yeah.
yeah. Crazy. Anyway, now,
Okay, but you never answered your own question.
what was my
What
question?
what is your favorite karaoke song?
No. What did I put down? Oh, I put down dancing in the moonlight or happy, one or the other.
Dancing in the Moonlight. I know what's happy.
Happy, Pharrell.
Oh, okay. I know that song.
Yeah, Pharrell.
Do you know he doesn't make a penny off that song?
Really?
Yeah, yeah. I think he said he's made like 250 bucks so far, and that was from the sales of his hat.
Wow.
Yeah, yeah. The studio
What?
took
What?
all of it.
Really?
Yep.
My God. It's a bloody good song, and it's a good film clip too. I love it.
Oh yeah, I
It's
mean,
my ringtone.
oh, that's cool.
Yeah, but yeah, that song that'll be good. Anyway, all right then. Till tomorrow.
All right, have a good day. We'll see you then.